Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make this delicious Big Mac inspired salad. For this salad, I used ground beef, lemon juice, onions, garlic powder, a tomato, smoked paprika powder, cheddar cheese, pickles, a sweetener, Worcestershire sauce, dried oregano, mustard, mayo, onion powder, and romaine lettuce. Start with cutting the vegetables. For the dressing, I used mustard, mayo, Worcestershire sauce, a sweetener, oregano, and lemon juice. Mix and taste if you like it and adjust it to your own taste. Now it's time to cook the beef. I'm cooking it in its own fat. To season it, I used onion, garlic, and paprika powder. I also used dried oregano and salt. Mix it and cook it over medium heat until the beef is fully cooked. So this is optional, but I personally really like the taste of sauteed onions. So I'm cooking the onions in the same pan I cooked the beef. And now it is time to assemble the salad. I love seeing your recreations of the recipes I make. So if you decide to give this a try, don't forget to tag me on Instagram at Amma's Kitchen. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, you might like this burger bowl recipe, or you might like this video. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.